If you've been wondering how to share your Calendly calendar the easy way, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to share a Calendly booking link, send it to someone, and make sure they can book a time without seeing your private calendar. This is super useful for meetings, consultations, interviews, client calls, or any situation where you want people to schedule time with you fast and professionally. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're signed in, you'll want to go to Scheduling. This is where all of your event types are organized, so you can choose the exact calendar event you want to share. If you have more than one event set up, take a moment here and make sure you pick the right one, because each event can have its own booking link and availability settings. Next, find the event you want to share. This could be a one-on-one meeting, a discovery call, a personal appointment, or any other scheduling page you've already created in Calendly. Once you've located it, click Share. Calendly makes this part really simple because it gives you a direct way to copy and distribute your booking link without having to manually build anything yourself. After that, select Copy Link. This copies your Calendly booking page to your clipboard, which means you can instantly paste it wherever you need it. You can send it in an email, drop it into WhatsApp, share it in a text message, add it to a website, or even include it in your social media bio or business profile. This is one of the easiest ways to let people book the time with you without back and forth messages asking when you're available. Now all you have to do is send a link through email, WhatsApp, or another messaging app. When the recipient opens the link, they'll be able to see your available booking times and choose the one that works best for them. That's the beauty of Calendly. It removes the scheduling confusion and lets the other person self-book based on your availability. And here's an important thing to remember. The recipient will not see your private calendar or your existing appointments. They will only see the available booking times you've configured inside Calendly. So your privacy stays protected while still making scheduling easy and convenient. If you want, you can also double check your event availability settings before sharing to make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. So, to quickly recap, log into Calendly, go to Scheduling, choose the event you want to share, click Share, copy the link, and send it wherever you need. It only takes a few seconds, but it can save you a lot of time and make your booking process much smoother. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.